In this video, I will show you how to use mobile phone data or Wi-Fi data in your computer easily. See, I have no internet connection in my computer. Now go to mobile phone settings. Search tethering. First you go developer option, select USB configuration, then select RNDIS or USB Ethernet. Then turn on your mobile phone tethering option. After do that, connect your mobile phone by USB to computer. See, mobile data connected successfully. See, it's working well. That's it. Enjoy. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed the video, please like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and share my videos with your friends. Thank you.